Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead, a motorcycle that blends classic heritage with modern engineering. If you're a Harley enthusiast or just love vintage-styled motorcycles, this one's for you. Stay with us for the next 8 minutes as we break down everything you need to know about this stunning machine. A tribute to the past. Harley-Davidson has a rich history, and the Flathead engine is one of its most legendary designs. Originally introduced in the 1920s, the Flathead was known for its reliability and straightforward engineering. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead pays homage to this classic design, bringing back the old-school aesthetics while integrating modern technology for a seamless riding experience. Harley has always been known for preserving its legacy while stepping into the future. This Flathead is no exception, combining classic styling with innovative features that make it not just a nostalgia trip but a serious contender in the modern market. Whether you're a veteran rider who appreciates history or a new enthusiast drawn to the charm of vintage bikes, the 2025 Flathead has something for everyone. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Flathead stays true to its roots with a retro-inspired look, featuring a rigid frame, Springer front forks, and low-slung solo saddle. The bike exudes vintage charm with minimalistic fenders, spoked wheels, and a teardrop fuel tank, reminiscent of the golden era of motorcycles. Harley-Davidson has also added modern LED lighting and digital gauges discreetly tucked into the classic styling, ensuring both form and function are balanced perfectly. One of the key design elements is the use of high-quality chrome accents paired with deep, rich paint finishes, making the bike a visual masterpiece. The hand-stitched leather seat and classic Harley-Davidson insignia further elevate the bike's aesthetics, making it stand out in any crowd. This Flathead isn't just a bike, it's a statement on wheels. The engine, a modern take on the classic Flathead. At the heart of this machine is a brand new 1,200 cubic centimeters air-cooled V-twin Flathead engine. While the original Flatheads were known for their simplicity, this new version brings fuel injection, electronic ignition, and a more refined cooling system for improved efficiency and power delivery. Riders can expect a smooth yet torquey ride, perfect for cruising on highways or enjoying the open road. Harley engineers have carefully tuned the exhaust to give it that signature deep, throaty rumble, ensuring that every twist of the throttle delivers an unmistakable Harley-Davidson experience. With 90 horsepower and 100 lb-ft of torque, the 2025 Flathead provides an exciting yet manageable ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open road. Technology and features. Despite its vintage appeal, Harley-Davidson has equipped the 2025 Flathead with modern features to enhance performance and safety. Some of the key highlights include: ride-by-wire throttle for precise control, selectable riding modes to adjust performance based on terrain, ABS and traction control for added safety, Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and music, keyless ignition for convenience, USB charging ports to keep your devices powered, anti-theft immobilizer for added security. These features make the bike suitable for both classic purists and modern riders looking for nostalgia with reliability. With all these enhancements, the 2025 Flathead is more than just a retro-inspired bike, it's a fully functional and practical ride for today's world. Riding experience. The 2025 Flathead is all about the joy of riding. The bike delivers a low-end grunt and a deep, throaty exhaust note, giving riders the authentic Harley-Davidson feel. With a well-balanced chassis and comfortable ergonomics, it's perfect for long-distance cruising or leisurely city rides. The handling is smooth, making it an easy yet exhilarating ride for both seasoned Harley riders and newcomers. The suspension system has been finely tuned to provide a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The wide handlebars and relaxed foot peg position allow for a natural riding posture, reducing fatigue on long trips. Whether you're a weekend rider or someone who loves to clock serious miles, the 2025 Flathead ensures you do it in style and comfort. Price and availability. Harley-Davidson is releasing the 2025 Flathead as a limited production model, making it a collector's dream. The starting price is expected to be around $18,000 to $22,000, depending on custom options and accessories. Availability will be limited to select dealerships, so if you're looking to own this classic reborn, you'll need to act fast. Harley is also offering a range of customization options, allowing riders to personalize their bikes with different paint schemes, seats, exhaust systems, and more. Whether you prefer a classic black and chrome look or something more aggressive like matte black with red pinstripes, there's a version of the 2025 Flathead for everyone. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead is a beautiful fusion of history and innovation. It's a tribute to the brand's roots while embracing modern advancements for a truly unique riding experience. Whether you're a Harley collector, a fan of classic motorcycles, or simply looking for a ride that stands out, the new Flathead is sure to impress. What do you think about the 2025 Harley-Davidson Flathead? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone Pro for more motorcycle content. Ride safe and see you in the next video.